balancing your hormones. With Donna Eden's work, what she does is she takes her left hand, puts the base of the palm on her forehead, and makes those fingers go down flat. Taking the right hand and interlocking the fingers and just holding it like that. She called this, I believe, the rooster hold. Now, having it standing up or sitting down doing this will get uncomfortable after a while. So I highly suggest doing this in bed, right before you get out of bed, and turn your head a little bit and put a pillow over here or on this arm here. But the main thing is to have your interlocking fingers on the top of your head and breathe. And I would definitely hold 3 to 5 minutes, because it takes a little bit of time for all the hormones to get moving back into balance. Another thing you can do is taking your left hand, putting it over your shoulder here, like previously, and having your ring finger and your thumb on the opposite finger, and just holding that hold. And that also helps balance your hormones. But I also like to say an affirmation: I am balanced and peaceful in all changes of cycles. I bless my body with love. And then you could even do a little bit of Ho'oponopono. And you can just simply state, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, I love you. And when you say that consecutively in a cycle, it really helps kind of calm the body. Very high frequency. And if you want to look up Dr. Lin's work with the Ho'oponopono, he comes from Hawaii. And it was amazing information that he gave to the world. Doing this, again, 3 to 5 minutes, and in the morning would be best. During the day, I would do it a second or third time, just because our hormones during Hashis as well as menopause, they're in a little bit of a chaotic situation. So we want to calm the body, balance the body, and this is really good for hormones. So we'll see you later. Bye.